Hello guys, Mehul here back in with another new video, and today I actually not gonna feature any product, okay, like feature any sales website, anything like that. Rather than what I am gonna talk about today is about this new purchase of mine of this laptop. Okay, so why I have purchased it, what is the perks I'm getting with it, like why, what, and how, like all of the aspects of choosing this laptop and how I am like supposed to use it and all. So we will talk everything about that in this video. Now I am nowhere near a gadget reviewer. Okay, so you will get only the perspective of mine to buy this kind of laptop and how I thought about it, like what was the thought process of selecting this particular laptop. Okay, so let's get started about it. So this is SR Swift 3. Okay, I think you can see it properly, right? Shiny back and front. This is totally a silver color. Now this is the first time I am like I spent some big amount. This is the first time ever. Every time else, my papa used to give me everything, obviously, because वही बड़ा किए हैं हमें, so वही देते थे. But this is the first time I spent my own money. I borrowed some from him as well, and I will be returning him everything uh, uh, by the end of like 3 or 4 months. No problem. Now, the thing is, why I have bought this laptop. First thing, so uh, I use primarily Legion Wi-Fi 40. That this is my primary device. I uh, use it for everything, obviously. As I don't have, I actually have another laptop, but that's totally outdated. That's not usable at all. That's totally dead. So obviously, this is my primary device to do everything. Now, one thing that comes with like the great benefit that comes with gaming laptops like this is a power beast. Like this is a beast machine. It can do anything. Okay, like any processing and all, like hardcore processing and everything. But the con side of it is bulky, it's heavy, and it takes a lot of power, so it run out of charges every now and then. Like I barely even get 1.5 to 2 hours in economic settings. Okay, and not economics means like battery saver settings. Though I always use battery saver mode just to like retain the battery life, but that's the problem with it. Okay, so uh, for that reason, I really don't carry with this proper laptop, and the bag that came with this laptop is huge. Okay, that's also bulky, and the charger of this laptop, like this is a huge brick, like really huge brick. This is a 170-watt charger. Okay, so this is humongous rather than like laptop chargers like this is a regular laptop charger which is having I don't know how much wattage, but whatever, obviously less than that, right? This that's a 170 watt laptop charger. मतलब इसको किसी के दिमाग में मारेंगे तो वो मर जाएगा. Okay, so that is that kind of a charger. So the laptop, and then this charger, and then that huge bulky bag, solid bag. So all of those togetherly comes around like 5 6 kgs almost. Okay, six kgs or 7 kgs if you put a water bottle in it of 1 liter as well. That's also add up to a 1 kg, right? So I really don't carry this much of load every day. Obviously, I never uh, had to. आधा दिन तो मेरा लाइक लॉकडाउन में ही कटा है, मेरा आधा कॉलेज लाइफ. एंड in my first sems or second sems, I didn't have to carry it a lot. Okay, but as the time goes, मेरा कॉलेज फिर से रिज्यूम भी हुआ है उसके बाद भी स्टिल लाइक व्हेन आई एम गोइंग टू कॉलेज राइट नाउ, बट what I what I really faced is I really needed one uh he like light duty laptop or like lightweight laptop to carry it around every day in my college, because I am getting clients every now and then. Okay, I have to do their work. I have a lot of work to do for college as well. So amalgamation of all this, I have to like have to have a carry around laptop for me. Okay, that I was not having. So basic issue was portability. Second is battery life, because this particular laptop doesn't get too much battery life, so I have to carry the charger, and obviously that adds a weight. So second thing was battery life. Okay, so these two things was my main focus, like ये तो मेरे को अच्छा चाहिए ही चाहिए. Okay, so that's why I started to find something like जो obviously will work as my secondary laptop, budget friendly होगा, and which I can use every day, like carry it around every day. Okay, with me. So that's why I searched for a lot of laptops. Then what I found is either you can go for an AMD, uh, that will give you a huge processing power. AMD 5, I was not like getting anything around AMD 3, like Ryzen 3 or Intel i3. I am not that kind of person. लूंगा तो i5 और Ryzen 5 ही लूंगा. So one thing you can do is you can go for AMD Ryzen 5, but battery consumption in that will be obviously more, because the processor is a lot more powerful. Or what you can do is go for Intel Evo platform like this laptop. Okay, it has this Intel Evo branding as well, if you can see. Okay, and what Intel Evo actually does provide to you. So if you are buying an Intel, and this is most probably, and I have actually searched for it, this is the most budget friendly laptop that provides Intel Evo platform. Now what Intel Evo platform is, so whenever a laptop is getting certified by Intel Evo platform, they have to provide one Thunderbolt 4, at least one port of Thunderbolt 4. Then they have to provide like fast startup time, under 1 second or what, that was the goal, I think. Then they have to at least provide what else, like longer battery life of 9 hours, I think. Yeah, that was the standard. So those are the certain criterias that I would like need a lot in my day-to-day life, and Intel Evo platform is providing that. So my job got easier to find a proper laptop that has Intel Evo platform, right? So I found out this laptop. Now there's another pro, like another con about this laptop, for my particular model, that I would like to say, that is, this laptop is released of over a year ago. Okay, around a year ago. From then they have changed something, like they have made changes in terms of design and in terms of software as well. So I will talk about both of the perspective. So from outside it maybe looks same, but one thing that you can actually notice, that previously uh, this particular screen was 3:2 ratio. Okay, now it is back into 16:9. I don't know why. And I actually checked the model number of this and the version that available in Amazon as well. That was 3:2. and both of them are similar model, similar with similar model number. The specs are same, everything is same, but the screen ratio is changed. So I don't know why, sir, why have you done that? I like buying a 3:2 laptop is like one of my primary reason to like uh, pick it as well, because it gives me more vertical space to work with. As I am more of a coder and designer, I need vertical space. And no, and this is not gonna be a media consumption laptop for me for sure. That's why I needed that as well. But I don't know why like Acer just snapped it right away. I don't know why. Second, a design change, aesthetic design change, or the total hinge change over here. They have changed the total hinge design over here. It used to have like used to be like this type of hinge. Okay, I don't know, I obviously you can't see. Can you see the edge right here? And here is a little swift branding. So this was the same thing that was replicate over here as well. That is not available here right now. I don't know why. And what else? And yeah, that's basically the changes hardware wise. Yeah, that's basically the all. Yeah, that's basically all of the changes hardware wise. Now software wise, they have given you Windows 11. I don't know why, but I hate Windows 11. Why have you included it? Why have you bundled it with your laptops? I don't want it, to be honest. Windows 11 is still not, I would say, it's still not totally like stable and robust like Windows 10. Windows 10 had multiple number of updates. Then it got to this stable position that we are having it in right now. But Windows 11, sorry buddy, it's not in that condition. The like it happened with Windows 10 as well. Whenever they roll out the Windows 10 earlier version, first versions or second versions, that had a lot of bugs, lot of quirks. Same goes for Windows 11, I would suggest. And I really don't like how it works, like adapting to a new system. I don't want to. I want my simple easy to use Windows 10 back, to be honest. But whatever, they are giving like shipping it with Windows 11. So that is something I really don't like about. And one other thing hardware wise they have changed that I forget to mention, that is they have created a vent over here. If you can see, they have created a vent over here. I don't know why. This kind of odd position to keep a vent. Okay, but whatever. Rather than that, everything about this laptop is great. You can search for the reviews of it in the internet. You can get a lot of good reviews. I know, I have searched for it as well, and I have seen all of the reviews and all of the things. Now to be honest, I have to like check this out myself, and I have to see like how it actually performs, how it actually gives me like the battery lives and the processing power and all. Though it will be just a simple designing and coding machine, nothing more than that, because I know this is my secondary laptop and I needed it for only like lighter purposes, that I have to like when I have to bring one laptop to anywhere, if I am traveling, if I'm going anywhere else, like maybe I am visiting my relatives and I will be like taking off for some days, then only I need those kind of laptops. And if you are in a budget of 60,000, I would obviously suggest you this laptop. I don't know which is your preference and all, but I will obviously suggest this one, because this is a productivity machine, that I can assure you for sure. But yeah, you may say like, I don't need productivity, I don't want to play games. So for that purpose, you have to like search for any other laptop, buddy. Okay, so this would not work for you, though. It has Intel Iris Xe graphics, and they like tell you that you can play lighter games like in like nominal settings, not nominal, like medium settings and all standard. So you can do that, but whatever. I'm not a kind of person who plays a lot of games, or like I play no games, to be honest. Not a lot of, like, I play no games. So obviously this works for me. This works for me like well enough. Okay, so that's about my new purchase of this laptop and why I have purchased it. You may have some similar kind of scenario with you as well, so you can try it out as well. Whatever, what so whatever it may be. So this is a kind of different video from my regular videos. This is a kind of update of my life. I don't know, maybe after this season and like this 365 video challenge, and maybe I can bring some of like this video more and more, where I actually discuss about what is happening with my life, like how I take some purchase decisions and why I take some purchase decision. And obviously this purchase decision is also basis on that minimalist purchasing plan, okay, that I have shared before. So I have applied that same principle in here as well. Okay, so obviously check that video out. Like, I would say everyone to check that video out, because you can get a lot of alma mater from that. Okay, so that's the thing. If you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel. And in my regular videos, like, if you know about some of the great products, great apps, great anything like that, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below. And if you know about some of the like great psychology of financial hacks, please let me know about them as well in the description, like, comment section below, so I can obviously think about them, discuss about them, and spread it in the world. So that's it for this video. Bye.